My name's Abid. I'm just going to be talking to you about QMplus, just to go through what it is, how you can access it, and hopefully at the end you'll understand that it does play quite an important role in your postgraduate studies. So first of all, what is QMplus? QMplus is your online learning environment. It's where you can access your timetables, access lecture materials set by your module leaders. It's where you can also access course areas for modules that you are studying. Also alongside QMplus, we have something else called QMplus Hub. It's an e-portfolio system where you can create your own upload your own journals or articles, and then also it's got a social networking side to it where you can find friends and join groups, which I'll be talking about later on as well. Okay, so how do you access QMplus? This is the website or URL, qmplus.qmul.ac.uk. And this is something that you'll be using quite frequently, so eventually it'll be at the tip of your fingers from typing. So this is the main homepage. After you've gone into the website, you will then need to click login at the top. Most of you should have received your IT login credentials. If you haven't received them, you'll have to contact the IT help desk. And I've got these cards here that I'm going to leave on their desk for everyone to take along with them. And it's just got details on the back on what to do if you're facing technical issues like this. So once you've logged in, it will then be a case of navigating to your course areas or your modules. To do that, at the very top under My QMplus, click on the Go to Your Module drop-down menu, and those will list down all the course areas that you have been enrolled into. And another way that you can visit your modules is to use the search bar at the top. So search modules, you can type it in there as well. Okay, so once you've gone into a course, I don't know, can I just have a raise of hands? How many dentistry students are here? And okay, if you put your hands down, how many Blizzard students? Institute of Blizzard? Okay, so it might be worth just showing the landing pages as well. Okay, I'll show that in a bit. Okay, so once you've clicked onto a course that you've been enrolled onto, from the drop-down menu, you'll notice that on the very right is a module info block, and what that has is very important. This will give you details as to what course code it is, what level, the credit value as well. It's very important you have a look at it because it will also contain details about your lecturer, the email address, the office hours, location, to contact them if you have any queries. It will also have teaching schedules as to, for example, if your course leaders are running seminars, they might put a nice little timetable up there if it's a specific day of the week. Okay, so what you will find in your course areas, at the very top you'll have two sections. One is called assessment overview, and the other one is called submit assignments. And what your teachers or assessors will tend to do is, if you have any important upcoming assignments, you can usually locate them in this area. So under submit assignments, what they also might tend to do, is up to them, is they might put it under the content tabs as well. Okay, so under the assessment overview, this will be materials to help aid you in preparing for a particular assignment. So it might be things like past paper materials, etc. So it's always worth to have a look under there as well. Under submit assignments, again, this will be the actual resource that has been set up for you to go into in order to submit your assignments, to upload your essay or whatever it is. And again, there are two types of assignments. It's up to obviously your module leader how they set this up. A standard assignment is where you just simply upload a file, and we have also something that goes through Turnitin as well, and that is for more formative assessments to check against plagiarism. So it's good to bear that in mind. Okay. Oops. Okay, so content tabs. Once you scroll down further along a specific course area, you'll find that the course is sort of laid out into different tabs, and they can be either arranged weekly. Again, it's up to your module leaders, so they can be released to you in a weekly basis, or it can be done topically as well. To simply access them, just click on any tab and it will simply expand it and then collapse it again. Okay, so this is a recent development we did within the past year, and this is available as soon as you log into QMplus. At the top navigation panel, you have something called My Dashboard. When you click onto that, you'll find something called Grades Plus. If you go into that, you will see this little page pop up, and what this does is it's a collective view of all your assignments and sort of the feedback that your tutors have put per assignment. So you can have a look at it collectively to see how you're sort of doing. So that's a nice new little feature we've implemented. You'll also notice while I'm on this page, you've got QMplus on the top. This is simply to, again, if you click on it, it will just show you a list of all the modules that you are registered on and have access to. So you can access it through this as well. QMplus, if you remember in the beginning, I mentioned that this is your portfolio system, and basically you can use it for social networking purposes as well, to find friends or to add yourself into groups. You've got your calendar as well. My profile, that's just will contain some of your basic personal details, like your first name, last name if you wish to change it, or your email address. Again, with my preferences. This is particularly crucial, timetable. If you find that once you click onto timetable, you don't seem to have any access to any of the schedules, or you see a blank page, again, you'll have to make sure you contact the IT help desk. I'll be giving details about that at the end of the presentation on how to contact them, and if you pick up a card as well. Okay, so this is also very important, where to find help. If you don't know, oops, sorry. Okay. Yep, where to find help on how to navigate through QMplus. So we've actually got 3 options to help you out. We've got this actual course that we've created called QMplus for Students. If you search for that, I'm thinking to just show you as well. Let me see. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put the URL in, qmplus.qmu.ac.uk. Okay, I'm just going to log in. Oops, just remembered someone. Okay, so now if I do a search for QMplus for Students, and you can put down 2016-17 as well, so it will just narrow down the search for you a bit, and it's this course here. So if you go into this one, it will just give you really useful screencasts on how to sort of navigate through QMplus, finding your way around. So it's just useful to watch some of these videos, editing your profile, submitting assignments, which is quite important. So always remember to have a look at this when you get time. Another way where you can find support is to use the IT help desk, and how you would do that is, again, if you remember where you had My Dashboard, several options along, you have something called Help and Support. If you click onto that, it will then take you to the Help and Support page, and there'll be a link for going into the IT help desk website, and then over there you can raise tickets, any queries you have. So for example, dear sir, madam, I'm not able to access my timetable, and they'll be able to resolve that for you. Okay. Again, so this is just sort of what I mentioned. So once you've gone into the website, you log in and you raise a ticket. Okay, so this is the contact information I was referring to earlier. This is their number. If you wish to call them from your mobile, if you think it's an urgent query, you can't. Obviously, it's not good to sort of leave assignments to the last minute before the deadline. I'm sure I don't have to advise you on that. But if something does urgent come up, you do have the option to call them as well. However, it would be best if you email them your queries. I believe they also run drop-in sessions as well, but they're located over in Mile End. So that's in the Queen's Building, room W209. Okay, and they've also got their status pages. So if any of the services are down, it's worthy to just have a look in there as well. Okay, so Q Review. This is our system for capturing lectures. Your lecturers will actually schedule these. So not all rooms in Queen Mary have this facility. There'll be certain teaching rooms and that have this facility. And this is something that is scheduled by your by the teaching staff, and they will notify you once they've set for something to be recorded and to be uploaded. And you'll notice this icon in your QMplus areas. If you click onto this, it will bring you to this page. You will see a series of recordings. So once you've clicked onto one, it could be one that they've recorded recently, last week or within the last couple of days. It will then open up the player. You've also got the option to sort of slow them down or fast forward them while watching them, and also you've got the ability to bookmark them as well. So we'll save it into the bookmarks of your browser. So this is QMplus Hub that I was referring to earlier. So again, under My Dashboard, where you had timetable, your calendar, Grades Plus, you've got something called QMplus Hub as well. If you click onto that, it will then take you to this page where you'll be able to log in, and this is where you can create your own sort of. If you can even upload your CV, or if you want to create a journal, or any page that you want to share amongst your friends. You can join groups as well. And obviously, to return back to QMplus, you simply click on this icon and it will take you back to QMplus as well. So in summary, this is the URL to go into QMplus. Q Review is our lecture capture service. QMplus Hub is your e-portfolio and sort of can be used for social networking purposes as well. The IT help desk is where you submit all your queries. And also, just a final reminder, assignments shouldn't be left until the last minute. Thank you.